Hey everyone, welcome back and thanks for joining us for another S.E.E.K Science Club video that is powered by S.E.E.K Foundation. And I know you're probably like, oh my gosh, she looks different. Yeah, I took off my wig, I just have on my fro, and I feel so liberated and free. But anyways, we are going to be making a cell phone stand using toilet paper. Yay! So let's get started. So what do you need? The materials you are going to need are, of course, you need the toilet paper tube, or if you want to say roll, so I may say tube or roll, but this is what I'm talking about. You are going to need your cell phone. This is my cell phone. That's what I keep on now. I can, I will. Watch me. You need 4 paper clips. It can be any color or it can be metal, whatever you like. You can have whatever you like. Paper clips, you just need 4. I have extras. You need scissors. They don't have to be this sharp or this big. You need a pen to write with, measuring unit, or not unit because it comes with unit, but a ruler, a measuring tool. That's what this is. And you need, it could be white paper, it could be purple paper, colored paper, but I have white paper, so that's what I'm using. In addition to a glue gun. Pow, 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 pow. Don't do that, don't be like me. But if you do not have a glue gun, you can use tape. It has to be really strong tape because it's gonna be holding up your phone. And you don't want your phone to fall, so try to use a glue gun, okay? Step 1, what you are going to do, you will measure the length of the toilet paper roll or toilet paper tube, whichever one you want to say, and then you will measure the width of the bottom of your phone. Once you measure those two, you're gonna use the unit centimeters because it's just easier on a ruler to just use centimeters. Once you get the units for the length of the toilet paper tube and the width of your cell phone, you are going to subtract those two because you want to find where to actually put the dot on the toilet paper tube for the space on where your phone is going to be located. So you have to measure from the edge to the center of the toilet paper tube that relates to your phone, so you know where to put it. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so I measured this for 10 centimeters in my phone for 8, the width of my phone, and that gave me 8 centimeters. What I did with the 10 centimeters for the toilet paper tube and the 8 centimeters for my phone, I subtracted to 2. So now that I subtracted 8, I took 8 from 10, which leaves me with 2 centimeters. What am I going to do with that? So the 2 centimeters, I divided it by 2 because we have 2 sides and we need to know how much we need to measure from the edge of the toilet paper tube to the center for the phone. And that lets me know that I needed to measure 1 centimeter from the edge to the center of the toilet paper tube on both sides. So if you can see here, my black line, I put my ruler here and I measure 1 centimeter, that's my line there. And on this side, I measure 1 centimeter. Remember, I got that from dividing the difference of the toilet paper tube and the width of my cell phone. I was left with 2. So 2 divided by 2 leaves you with 1, and the unit we're using is centimeters. Step number 2. What you are going to do, you are going to measure the height of your phone with your phone laying down flat on a flat surface. And you're going to take the same ruler that you were using, the same unit of centimeters. So I am going to measure the height with my phone laying down. And my measurement is, remember, you got to start from that line that says centimeters. Sometimes people will put the ruler down and there's an empty space there. That empty space, just keep in mind. So my height is 1 centimeter. With the 1 centimeter, the two lines that I created on my cell phone stand, I am going to make a rectangle starting from here with both sides being 1 centimeter. So once I know that both sides are 1 centimeter with the line that I created from the previous measurement, I'm just gonna draw two lines to connect it. That's it. And then you're gonna cut it out. Later you can decorate it, but you must be able to make sure you have your pocket holder created first, okay? All right, so your rectangle should look like this. Mine is a little slanted because my eyes were a little crooked during the process, and it's okay. Long as you're able to make that part where your cell phone can sit, just make sure you have that pocket created. And what you are going to do, you're just gonna fold it and cut it out. Voila, so you have your little pocket holder. So now let's see if the cell phone can fit inside the pocket. And there you have it. But guess what? It's moving front and backwards. Oh no! Next step, what you are going to do, you are going to add your paper clips to the back of your cell phone holder and glue it down with your glue sticks. But you have to open up the paper clips in order to glue it down. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you're gonna open your paper clip. The paper clips are closed, right? Just like this. You see, they're closed. You just open it, you take the smaller part, the inside of the paper clip, like the circle part that's on the inside, and you just kind of bend it as such. So it looks like this, like a little chair, because this is the side you're gonna glue on the back of your cell phone holder. All right, so you're gonna do that 4 times. Once you have your pocket holder and you fold your paper clips to sit up, so like a little chair, all right, you see that? The top part is the larger part. It's gonna hold the place upward for your cell phone placeholder. So you're going to take your paper clip, put it behind your cell phone stand, and then you're gonna mark right at the top of that paper clip. You see that? See how I marked it there? So you know at least you know where the top part, which is the larger part of the paper clip, should be. All right? And then next one, same thing. You're gonna mark at least 4 spaces. Try it for each one, or you can use your ruler to draw a straight line. If you can't do it just by, marking it where you place it. So let's go ahead and do that part now. All right, so here we have it. Let's test it out. Voila, there you go. You have your own stand, and we are going to discuss potential energy with this topic. So when we're talking about potential energy, it is stored energy due to its position. So the higher it is, the more potential energy it has. So if we look at our cell phone, which area would it have the most potential energy? Would it be at the bottom or would it be at the top? The correct answer is, drum roll please, at the top. And we're going to discuss more about potential energy with the formula, which is potential energy equals mass times gravity times the height, but not in this video. Just remember, the more potential energy you have, the higher the object is, and that is stored energy. Thanks for joining us. See you later. Bye.